Once again, welcome everyone to today's video on Miraz Tech, where we introduce you to some of the coolest and most amazing gadgets from around the world. Today's topic is all about some awesome RC gadgets that will remove boredom from your life and add a whole lot of fun. The purchase links for all the gadgets shown in this video are provided in the description below. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with gadget number 1.
Let's kick things off with the Gel Balls drone. This drone is not just about flying, it's about creating action and adventure in the air. It can hover smoothly at different altitudes, letting you aim and fire soft gel pellets using an easy command system. The thrill comes from combining precision control with fast-paced fun, making it perfect for friendly drone battles or backyard challenges. What really sets it apart is how balanced it feels in midair. You can adjust angles, move sideways, and even perform flips without losing target focus. The drone's lightweight yet sturdy frame adds confidence, and the smooth propeller movement ensures quiet, controlled flight. Imagine capturing slow-motion shots as the drone soars and fires. It's a cinematic experience paired with pure entertainment. For families, it's safe to use with soft, biodegradable pellets, and for tech fans, it's a mix of mechanics and excitement. The Gel Balls drone truly elevates what interactive can mean. Switching from the skies to the water, let's turn on the Fast RC boat, a mini power machine built for thrill seekers. With a design inspired by real racing boats, this gadget dominates ponds, pools, and lakes. The boat's dual motors deliver rapid acceleration, and its high-capacity battery gives you longer race time. What's special about it is how precisely it responds. You feel every twist of the controller as it cuts sharp turns like a champion. It's nearly impossible not to smile while seeing the boat zip across the water, leaving a sleek ripple trail behind. The best part? It's equipped with a self-righting mechanism. If it flips, it'll quickly straighten on its own. That means more fun, less interruption. Whether you're competing with friends or mastering solo runs, the Fast RC boat gives that classic rush of power and control that water sport lovers crave. Its durable, waterproof shell and cooling system make it as reliable as it is exciting, letting you go full throttle without worry. Now we move to something bold and commanding, the RC tank. This one is a favorite among collectors and RC enthusiasts who crave realism. The tank moves with mechanical precision, featuring rotating turrets and soft projectile cannons that give it that authentic feel. What's impressive is its suspension system. It climbs small hills, glides over rough ground, and feels unstoppable on any terrain. The dual motor setup ensures robust torque, and the sound effects add an immersive touch. You truly feel like you're commanding a mini armored vehicle. You can even engage in friendly tank wars with infrared targeting, adding a fun tactical edge. It captures that perfect balance between toughness and control, combining play with realism. For those who appreciate detail, the finish and structure mimic real military models down to the smallest track connection. It's rugged, strategic, and surprisingly elegant. Every RC tank battle becomes a mix of skill, patience, and pure mechanical charm.
From ground battle to futuristic flair, our next feature is the Flying Hoverball, one of the coolest modern gadgets out there. This light-up sphere floats in midair like magic, controlled entirely by your hand movements. It's powered by smart sensors and enclosed propellers, making it safe and interactive for kids and adults alike. You can toss it, spin it, let it circle around you, and it'll respond to your hand's direction with a graceful dance in the air. The first time you see it, you can't help but smile. It's mesmerizing. The LED lights make it perfect for playing at night, glowing in bright patterns of blue, green, and red. It's like holding a piece of futuristic art that moves wherever you want. Unlike typical drones, the Hoverball doesn't need a complicated remote or app. It's pure gesture-based control, fun and simplicity combined. It's also durable enough to handle bumps, and the battery recharges quickly so you can keep playing endlessly. It's more than a gadget, It's a conversation starter that brings out the kid in everyone. Now let's get creative with something stylish, the RC Lowrider. This miniature beauty lets you relive the culture of custom lowriders in the palm of your hands. With simulated hydraulics, this car doesn't just move, it bounces. You can make it hop, slide, tilt, or bounce at the press of a button, giving it that signature lowrider charm. Its chrome accents, glossy exterior, and detailed design make it a piece of art to look at. The real thrill is when you start syncing its hops to music or performing small car show routines on your tabletop or driveway. It's expressive and cool, a statement piece with real movement. The RC Lowrider blends artistic motion and smooth RC control, showing how technology captures culture and style beautifully. Whether you love RC cars, automotive art, or simply want to show off something unique, the Lowrider guarantees an audience wherever you go. It's small, smooth, and packed with pure personality. Get ready for speed, because next up is the RC Sports Car. Built for performance, this remote-controlled car mirrors the attitude of a full-size supercar. With powerful motors, aerodynamic design, and realistic handling, it delivers races that feel genuinely intense. Every press of the throttle sends it zooming forward with precision. The tires grip perfectly, and the suspension adapts to uneven surfaces like a pro racer. What makes it special is how intuitive the control is. Beginners can master it quickly, but professionals can still push it to extreme maneuvers. You can drift, spin, or race through obstacles effortlessly. Its sleek design and LED headlights give it a premium, high-tech look too, making it visually stunning on camera. If you're into fast action shots or want to practice driving skills, the RC Sports Car gives a true adrenaline experience in miniature. Pair it with another for epic races, and suddenly your backyard becomes a racetrack.
Now let's shift to the air again with the mini drone. Compact, portable, and high-performing, this drone is made for those who want fast, fun flights without complicated setups. It fits right in your hand, but manages to deliver stable, smooth flight every single time. Its easy controls include altitude hold, one-button return, 360-degree flips, and headless mode, making it perfect for learning and performing short flight tricks. The camera-equipped versions can capture surprisingly crisp shots too. What's impressive is its battery efficiency and the quick recharge cycle. You can take it on trips, park adventures, or even indoor flight sessions. It's one of those gadgets that's small enough to bring anywhere, yet fun enough to fly all day. Whether you're filming creative angles or teaching someone how to pilot for the first time, the mini drone is the ideal mix of fun and function. Now, here's something different, the Amphibious RC Car. This machine doesn't care if it's on land or water. Designed for ultimate versatility, it can drive across grass, mud, snow, and even float on the water's surface. Its waterproof body and all-terrain tires give it jaw-dropping movement freedom. You can perform flips, rolls, and spins, and it'll keep going like nothing happened. One moment it's climbing a small hill, the next it's gliding through a pond. It's fun, rugged, and designed for outdoor explorers who love action in every direction. The best part is how seamless the transitions are between surfaces. No lag, no slowdowns. This gadget truly embodies creativity in RC design, and if you're someone who loves adventure, the Amphibious RC Car is your new best friend. Moving on, we have the budget camera drone, a smart piece of technology that proves great content creation doesn't have to be expensive. With a built-in HD camera, this drone delivers fantastic aerial shots for beginners and vloggers. It stabilizes beautifully, making it perfect for those sweeping cinematic pan shots or high-altitude selfies. The control system is intuitive, meaning you can focus more on creativity rather than complicated setup. Its durability is another plus. Even new pilots can recover from bumps easily. The affordability makes it accessible to everyone, turning drone videography from a luxury into a hobby for all. Whether you're filming landscapes, documenting travel adventures, or creating social media clips, this drone opens up endless storytelling opportunities.
Finally, let's finish strong with the RC Blackhawk helicopter.
Modeled after the famous military aircraft, this helicopter is both a collector's dream and a joy to fly. Its dual rotor design ensures stable flights, and the body structure is crafted to emulate real helicopter physics. Flying it feels smooth and realistic. The controls give you gentle handling, and even beginners can achieve perfect hovering after a few tries. The LED lighting enhances visibility, making it look stunning during night flights. It's not just a toy, it's a work of art that replicates flight mechanics with elegance. With its durable frame and balanced lift, it captures that professional essence of aviation right in your hands. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Miraz Tech for more amazing tech discoveries like these. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Share this video with your friends, drop a comment about your favorite gadget, and tell us what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching Miraz Tech, where innovation meets excitement and every gadget has a story to tell. See you in the next video.